Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro in the game Royal Colorway combines bold aesthetics with elite performance features. Its deep blue hue commands attention, while the low-top design offers a balance of flexibility and ankle support ideal for quick, agile movements. Crafted with a Flyknit upper, the shoe delivers a lightweight, breathable fit that molds snugly to the foot, enhancing stability during sudden directional shifts. The design features intricate textures that work in harmony with the shoe's structure, blending form and function. Technically advanced, it includes a Lunarlon midsole for responsive cushioning, efficiently absorbing impact during jumps and sprints. The outsole sports a multidirectional traction pattern, ensuring solid grip across various court surfaces. White accents and a durable heel clip not only elevate the visual contrast but also provide additional structural reinforcement. This model exemplifies Kobe Bryant's legacy of combining performance excellence with innovative design.